In today's video, I'll show you guys how to unlock all cars in Garage and make them free in Forza Horizon 6. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe and select the yes option. Make sure the game is running in the background. You will get this message attached. And then to features, go to auto show and select add all cars. All cars have been added. Select OK. And now go to database. Select this free car prices. Free car prices success. Now get back to the game. New cars have been added to your garage. Go to cars. Change car. All cars are wanted. As you can see, 639 cars wanted. Every cars are free and the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.